The government keeps telling us that the prices of Medicare prescription drugs is going down, has gone down. They tell us all the time, but it's not true. And to make matters worse, if you're already on Medicare Part D, you know this. To make matters worse, Benefits Pro announced this week that some of the largest drug makers will hike the price of 500 drugs this month, January 2024. But how can that happen when President Biden is constantly on the news talking about how the Inflation Reduction Act has lowered and will continue to lower the cost of prescription drugs? Well, companies aren't paying attention to it. Half of these 500 price increases are by Pfizer, and this is hitting right now at the beginning of an election year. So another way they're trying to recoup the money that they're being forced to save by giving you lower cost insulin is by hiking the cost of inoculations for kids, typhoid, rabies, yellow fever. So people getting other stuff are going to get a big hike, 9% hike to pay for your $35 insulin. Okay, I'm not totally against that, but I need to tell you I have to cover my assets as an insurance agent. When we talk to you about your drug plan, we help you choose your drug plan. We look at all your drugs and we tell you what the annual cost is expected to be. That is just based on one snapshot in time. And that might not be related to what you're actually going to pay at all. It's not our fault. The drug companies are allowed to change the price of their drugs, to change the drugs that they cover that are allowed on your plan with 30 days notice. They can change it. And so then you're mad. You're like, hey, and we've had several calls already that say, hey, I went to fill my prescription and it's not what you told me it would cost. That has nothing to do with your agent. What we gave you was information at the time you bought your plan. What the drug companies do afterwards is anyone's guess. So you got an increase in Social Security. It was a mild increase, 2.3% increase, but that's not all good news, right? Because a lot of people, you, maybe your parents, have lost their low income subsidy, which helps them pay for their Medicare prescription drugs because they now make too much money. And I've had too many heartbreaking calls that say, yeah, we just got the letter. We're no longer going to get help with our drugs. Our drug costs going to go up. Can't afford our drugs. What do we do? And that's because of the Social Security increase. There's no way to say, hey, don't give me the increase. I'm just sorry to say this is an economic reality that is out there. It's not an error. Too many people say there must be a problem because I lost my subsidy for my drugs. No, it's if you didn't get inheritance or another job or some other reason that drove your income up, probably your Social Security increase. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.